Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Zubair and in this video I will show you how to block all VPN access for domain users using group policy in Windows Server 2022. I am using VMware Workstation for this lab. Here is my setup. Our domain controller is Windows Server 2022. The host name is DC01 and domain is server22.local. Client machine Windows 11 Pro joined to domain server22.local. Let's start by opening group policy management on the domain controller. Open server manager, go to tools, click on group policy management. Now we will create a new group policy to block VPN access. In group policy management console, expand your domain. If you want to apply this policy on your domain user, then you will create this policy by right-clicking on your domain name. And if you want this policy to apply on specific organizational unit, then right-click on that organizational unit. I am applying this policy on organizational unit named as restricted user. Right-click on restricted user. Select create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Name the GPO. I choose Block VPN Access. Click OK. Now we will edit the GPO and apply the VPN block setting. Right click on Block VPN Access. Click on Edit. Go to User Configuration. Open Policies. Open Administrative Templates. Open Network. Open Network Connection. Enable the following policy. First policy is prohibit access to properties of a LAN connection. Double click on it. Click on enable and apply. Click on OK. Now second one is TCP over IP advanced configuration. Double click on it. Click on enable. Apply. Click OK. The third one is prohibit access to a new connection wizard. Double click on it. Click on enable. Click on apply. Click OK. The fourth one is prohibit access to the remote access preferences item on the advanced menu. Double click on it. Click on enable. Click on apply. Click OK. These settings will stop user from creating or using VPN connections on any domain joint system. Now go to the client machine in VMware and force the group policy update. Open command prompt as administrator. Type this command. Now when a user trying to connect a VPN connection, it should be blocked or disabled. That's it, you have successfully blocked all VPN access using group policy in Windows Server 2022. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more IT tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Zubair. See you in the next video.